Today we have a pretty special Porsche, a 1997 911 Turbo, 993 Turbo. It has a factory 431 horsepower Turbo S upgrade from new. It is immaculate, having only 2 owners from new, and 38,000 original miles, fully serviced. We're going to take it for a ride. Come on. Okay, well, we're going to start the car. So it's rather than discuss absolutely everything in this car that may or may not work, it is a Porsche and everything is working absolutely 100% as it was meant from the factory. You know, nice little sunroof. Let's get on it, warm it up a little bit. Radio's working, heater's working, AC is working. You know, they're pretty special cars. They're very fast. This one has also got an upgrade to Turbo S spec from the factory, which was available in Europe. It is exceptional condition. It's never had any accidents. It's never been tracked. It is as straight as an arrow. We're going to warm it up a little bit, do our flybys, and come right back to you. Okay, well, we're on our twisty road. We're not going to go very fast because we're still warming her up. But, you know, we just turned the heat on a little bit because my cold-blooded friend here, Jason, is, I don't think he's a winter person.
I should say it's a little bit chilly out here, but the heat works very well.
Yes, very well. So much so we're going to turn it down a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, because that's his German, yeah.
Oh.
So, gearbox, clutch, everything's working great. It's, I fiddled with the radio earlier because I didn't have my glasses on. I thought maybe that was the button, but my copilota here actually told me there's a button right there that says on. It's actually a really nice stereo system. And we're going to shut it off now because it's a very nice stereo system for someone else at some other time. Funny though, the on switch does not say off or off, but it doubles as on and off. So that's not quite right as far as I'm concerned, but it is what it is. As you know, there's a lot of horsepower, four-wheel drive, big brakes. All those, I think, for anyone interested in a 993 Turbo is just understood. Then, of course, there's the factory option of the battering ram to remove the Subaru who's in front of you. We didn't get that option. Oh, look. It's one of its brothers. Saudi.
Very distant cousin.
Distant. Not even invited to like holiday dinners, actually. I like to see Jason moving back and forth as I go through the corners. It's really got nothing to do with our videoing at all. It's like testing the brakes on a threshold brake. And back. See what we did there? It's the little things. Anyway, we are up to operating temperatures. We're coming back here to our favorite road to get on it a little bit to show you how quick this goes. So, here we go. On it. So, here we go, kids. Let's see e-ticket ride. Now we're just going to be a little mellow. We're gonna cruise to pick up some lunch and enjoy the Porsche as if we were on a leisurely Sunday drive. I hope you enjoyed that one. Now we're gonna do a few flybys. We will be right back to you. Hope you enjoyed the flybys. This thing is awfully fast. We're now on the FFR road, the farm road. Showing you the gearboxes again here. 3rd gear, 4th gear, 5th gear. I think 6th gear is sort of more so for the Autobahn because you'll be going awfully quickly. And then obviously 4th gear, 3rd gear, 2nd gear, and takeoff mode. I think you all get the gist that this thing is one of the most ultimate of the Porsche range, both vintage and modern, because it's a little bit of both. And it goes like stink, I believe is what they say. Although I never really understood that, and I am not sure I could say that it goes like whoo. So it's yeah, it's quick. It's quick and fast and comfortable, and in my mind, as special as you get. So by all means, contact us if you have any questions. Thank you for enjoying this road test with us, and see ya.
Thanks for watching, everyone.